Hi, my name is Teresa. Today we're going to talk about what could happen if you don't use design thinking. Let's go! Hi, my name is Teresa. I'm a keynote speaker traveling the world talking about design thinking, mindset, and business culture. I'm also the founder and CEO of 30 Minute MBA. We reimagine the workplace through actionable learning and cultural design. And today we're going to talk about some of the things that could happen if we don't use design thinking, working with innovation and entrepreneurship. So first I want you to imagine you have worked on this product. You have been dedicating your life to it for 3 years. You've been sitting in your basement or in your apartment or your house or wherever you are, maybe even at the beach, for 3 years and worked on it intensely. Maybe it's a book, maybe it's a product, maybe it's a service, maybe it's something scalable, maybe it's not. But you're really proud over it and you have dedicated a lot of hard work towards it. And it's surely brilliant. There's just one problem. When you launch it, no one seems to love it as much as you do. Or you might find out that people already are solving the problem you're trying to serve in a more efficient way. Maybe there is another service or product on the market that is doing whatever, they're solving this problem faster, better, or cheaper. So we can of course talk about the feeling that you would have putting in all that time and effort, finding out after 3 years that the market is not ready or the market don't love it as much as you do. Maybe there isn't even a market or people are not willing to pay for it. You might not be solving a problem that is really urgent for them. So all of that is not that fun to find out after 3 years. And unfortunately, I've seen this multiple times. I've been working with founders and executive teams for over 15 years as an achievement and performance coach as well as an advisor. And unfortunately, this is not an uncommon story. It's not necessarily always 3 years. It can be a couple of weeks, months, but yes, sometimes even years. And it's not only entrepreneurs. It can also be people within companies that are developing something and then in the end of the day they find out that this is not really something that works on the market. People are not excited to buy it and they are not willing to get it basically. So this is one of the issues that can happen if we don't use design thinking. So if you want to find out more about design thinking and how actually to work with it in your company, maybe you're starting out and you're really excited about this idea. You have a problem that you're solving, but you're not really sure how to move on. But you want to avoid this feeling of not being able to solve or not being able to launch something because you didn't check in with the market. So we have designed a course for that. It's with Be Brilliant Academy. And this entrepreneurship course is called How to Build a Purpose-Driven Startup, starting from a spark of an idea to product within 4 weeks. And we cover a lot of things within this course. Design thinking is one of the essence that we are covering a lot, and how to use design thinking when you're creating a product or service from scratch, as well as if you're building something that you've been working on for a little bit. But we also cover other things, of course, everything from fans to marketing, how to define a market, sales, and how you build your first MVP, minimum viable product. So there's a lot of stuff in that, and we're going to link that down below with, and as I said, that's with Be Brilliant Academy. So the important thing here is to remember, don't put yourself in a position where you don't check in with the market. Make sure that you check in with the market on a regular basis, and design thinking is one of the great mindsets and tools to do that. If you want to find out more, do check out what we have. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment down below on how you are currently working with innovation within your world. We'd love to hear your stories. And as always, achieve greatness. Bye!